Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're ready to make juicing a breeze and enjoy nutrient-packed drinks, you're gonna love this. Today, we're checking out the Nama J2 Cold Pressed Juicer, a hands-free masticating juicer that's all about fresh, high-quality juice. Stick around to see if it's your next kitchen must-have, and check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's dive into the features. The Nama J2 has a 200-watt motor that runs at a quiet 50 RPM to preserve nutrients and flavor with minimal heat. Its wide-mouth hopper lets you load whole fruits and veggies at once. No need to feed them one by one. It comes with 2 strainers, one for smooth juice and one for a bit of pulp, plus a juice container, pulp container, cleaning brush, and recipe book. The self-feeding design means you can walk away while it juices, and all parts are BPA-free and easy to clean. It's backed by a 15-year warranty for peace of mind. Now the pros. This juicer is a game changer for busy folks. The hands-free hopper lets you toss in your ingredients and multitask, and users say it produces super dry pulp, meaning you get every drop of juice. It's whisper quiet so you won't wake the house, and the juice is smooth, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Customers love the easy assembly and cleanup, which takes just minutes, and the long warranty makes it a solid investment. It's great for everything from leafy greens to apples, but there are some cons. The Nama J2 is pricey, so it's a bigger commitment than budget models. Some users say softer fruits like strawberries leave wetter pulp, so you might need to strain for smoother results. It's not the most compact, so it might take up space in small kitchens. A few mentioned the initial learning curve for optimal produce prep. Should you buy the Nama J2 cold pressed juicer? I say yes if you're serious about juicing, want nutrient-rich drinks, or love the hands-free convenience. It's perfect for health enthusiasts or families, though casual juicers might find cheaper options sufficient. That's my take on the Nama J2. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. To grab this juicer at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description for special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.